Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be making this tender flavor packed beef stew. If you'd like to know how to make it, stay tuned. First, I started by washing and chopping up my veggies, and then I drizzled those with some olive oil. I'm gonna roast these because we'll use it for the stew later, but then drizzle and rub them in the olive oil and then put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. While those are roasting, go ahead and dice up your beef. You can make them whatever size you like. I use chuck roast as well for this recipe. To a pot, add your beef, add in a little bit of olive oil along with some garlic. If you have fresh garlic, it's better. I didn't have any on hand, so that's why I used this. And then also add in some curry powder. Cover that, and you want it to sweat in its own juices, like steam in its own juices for about 30 minutes. While that's cooking, go ahead and prepare your veggies and set them aside because we're going to be adding them into the stew later. And then for the roasted vegetables, put them into a food processor and blend them up. I also added in some ginger and some fresh herbs like you saw there, which were rosemary, sage, and thyme combination. You do not have to do this, it's optional. After 30 minutes, the meat should look like so with its own juice like that. You want to set that aside into a separate bowl, and then to the same pot, add in some olive oil and then the other onion. Let that caramelize for a little while and before going in with your tomato paste. You want to fry the tomato paste in the olive oil for about 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes or so, add in your roasted veggies that you blended up along with the beef bouillon cubes. After 30 minutes, this is what you should have. So then you want to go ahead and add back in the beef that you set aside. At this point, I also added in some salt and some more of that beef seasoning. Cover your beef and let it cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. Then go ahead and add the veggies that you had set aside, the carrots and the potatoes. Let that cook for an additional 30 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender, and your food should be ready. This is what you should have after 30 minutes. The potatoes are fork tender. The aroma in the room is so irresistible. I went ahead and garnished mine with some cilantro. And there you have it, you guys. I served my stew over rice. It was so irresistibly good. Please try it. Let me know how you like it. Come back and testify in the comments. But that is all I have for you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.